Hi, today I will show how to crochet baby shoes. This size for newborn baby. And I will use this yarn. And I use this side hook. I use this yarn for make a bow. First, we crochet 40 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And we keep this. We don't crochet, we crochet next. 1 single crochet, next 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and we work finish this row. After we finish this row, and now we one change, we turn and we keep this. We crochet next, single crochet, next single crochet, and we work finish this rows. After we finish this row and one chain, we turn, we keep this, we crochet next, and we repeat again total for 10 rows. After we finish 10 rows, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And now we keep white yarn. We crochet together. We work to come this side and go around to come this, and we go to come around this. when we come this part, and now we crochet this 3 half crochet, 1, 2, 3, and become so we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This we crochet to come this part. And we will hide this yarn. We hide yarn around. We make sure this part they don't open. Now we crochet both. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we crochet single crochet. Same we crochet for shoe, and we repeat again for 8 rows. Two, 4, 6, 8. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Thank you so much.